Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Slack notifications not working to ensure you never miss an important message from your team. Step 1. Check Slack's internal preferences. The first place to look is within the app itself to make sure your global notification settings haven't been accidentally changed. Click your profile picture in the bottom left sidebar and select Preferences. Go to the Notifications tab. Under Notify Me About, ensure that all new messages or direct messages, mentions, and keywords is selected. Scroll down to the notification schedule and verify that you aren't currently in a Do Not Disturb window. If you see a snooze icon, a small crescent moon next to your name in the sidebar, click it and select Resume Notifications to start receiving alerts again immediately. Step 2. Verify system-level permissions. Even if Slack is configured correctly, your computer's operating system might be blocking the app from sending banners or playing sounds. On Windows, go to Settings, then System, then Notifications. Find Slack in the app list and ensure the toggle is turned on. Click on Slack to make sure Show Notification Banners is checked. On Mac, go to System Settings, then Notifications, then Slack. Toggle Allow Notifications to On and set the alert style to banners or alerts. Also, check if you have a focus or Do Not Disturb mode active on your PC or Mac. These system-wide settings often silence all apps regardless of your Slack preferences. Add Slack as an allowed app in your focus settings to bypass this. Step 3. Clear the app cache. If your settings are perfect but notifications are still ghosting you, there may be a glitch in the app's temporary data. Click Help in the top menu bar or the 3-line icon on Windows, select Troubleshooting, and click Clear Cache and Restart. This is the most effective hard reset for notification bugs in 2026. Slack will close and relaunch, purging any corrupted background files that might be preventing the notification engine from firing. After the restart, send yourself a test message from a mobile device or ask a teammate to @mention you to verify the fix. And that's pretty much it. To fix Slack notifications in 2026, check your preferences for active DND schedules, ensure system permissions are granted in your computer's settings, and use the Clear Cache and Restart tool to wipe away any underlying app glitches. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.